Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'll be doing a trade recap. Trade recap on a trade I took today. I was looking at AUD, liquidity supply and demand. So this right here was my supply zone, and I had my liquidity here as well. And we got a nice retrace and everything. So I was quite confident in this. I was going for a 1 to 4. Unfortunately, did lose 1 R. In hindsight, I did ask someone who's been trading longer than me, I'd say. Uh yeah, in a Discord server anyway that I'm in. No VIP mentorship or anything, but yeah, just liquidity was too close to the zone, I guess, so investors would have already got in, and so there's no real reason for me to be entering, which is the whole thing my strategy is built on. It's built on you want to enter where the investors are entering. So, excuse me. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to hold that L. That's the only trade I took for the day. Friday, I did kind of want to wait until Monday, but I really liked the setup. It was good for me, so yeah. So I took it, and I was looking at other trades potentially. We had a potential trade on gold. But I missed this because I was in the shower, so we'll see how this plays out. I don't know if it's going to win or not, but yeah, we have our liquidity here, break of structure here. Let me just mark it out so that it's easier to see. Maybe I'll clickbait this. I'll use this as a thumbnail. Anyway, yeah, so that's your liquidity. This is your. Wait, what? Oh, I thought I clicked the thing. This is gonna be my break of structure, and then I had a nice retrace. So I mean, I would have taken this, but I was in the shower. I was actually in the shower as this candle was forming. So this candle was form. Wait, what? Which candle was it? Yeah, it was this candle, and I enter on break of bullish close or bearish, depending on the direction I'm going. So yeah, boom. This I was in the shower on this candle. I guess I took longer than I thought because when I came out, I found that this candle had already been broken and I missed my entry. And I considered entering again, not entering again, but like entering after my entry point has already passed. But that's greed. You can be a profitable trader if you're operating from a scarcity mindset. If you want to enter a trade where your entry level has already passed, the the logic you're using is dumb. It's like you're basically saying, I love this trade so much that I don't think I'm gonna see a trade as good as this ever, which is dumb, you know. And yeah, looking at this, just looking at the overall structure, yeah, it was kind of in a downtrend, and we had a tap here, drove price up. We had another tap down here, drove price up, and yeah, I mean, we did this structure break actually. I don't know. I didn't even look at like everything. That's a red flag. Yeah, no, I should have had a look at everything. So yeah, low, high. Who's to say this isn't just gonna go make a low? Might not hit my 1 to 8 even. So in hindsight, I should have been looking at that. But do I think this trade's gonna play out? I don't know. What I think doesn't matter. Does it follow the rules? Yes, it does. I don't think it would hit a 1 to 8, but I think it could definitely hit a 1 to 4. How many pips is this? Eh, whatever. Me was 1 to 4. There we go. Then I'm gonna just mark it out. I'm curious to see if it's gonna get if this target's gonna hit. So yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Isn't for Shania? Mm-hmm. I'm listening to music, by the way. Of course, of course. You know me. Always listening to music. So yeah, 1 to 4. I'm quite confident on 1 to 4 can hit. I don't know about a 1 to 8 though, but we'll see, bro. And yeah, that's it for today. Oh, there's also a potential trade on GN, but I don't know if I'll quite take it. We'll see. We'll see. I guess depending on the reaction we get, would I be okay with losing on this trade though? Just the thing about trading live markets and backtests, bro. You can look at multiple things and be like, nah, I wouldn't do this, I wouldn't do that. Let's see, boom. What I like to do is to draw out the trade and see if it matches the simplest way of explaining my strategy and what I look for, you know? So we have demand zone, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I mean, it's a valid trade. I just don't like all this volume, rubs me the wrong way. But I think I'll take this trade. Let's check overall trend. Yeah, overall trend of bullish. We clean this gap, so it might go down. It might go back down, but yeah. I'm liking the way this looks. Long term or bullish, so yeah. So yeah. I might take this trade. Today is Friday. Oh my days. Next week. Next week. Would I take a zone off of open? Maybe. I don't know. I don't really have a rule against it or not. It's up to discretion. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna catch you guys later.